Good morning. Life update. It's the sun's coming up, but I was awake at 4 o'clock this morning. And essentially, I had a car accident 2 weeks ago where in the rain on a windy road, I touched my brakes on a corner and the car started to slide off the road and then it flipped over. So it's possibly totaled. It's been 2 weeks. I haven't heard anything from insurance yet. Gotta love that. Suspended animation. Welcome to your new life of not knowing what your life is. Essentially, that is a big deal because I had to leave my job in Napanee because I can't get there. And I am now staying in Toronto with my boyfriend because I can't get home. The budget for a rental car is $1,200 through my insurance company, which that's like half a month. It's like 2 weeks. And the cab ride from the hospital to the wrecking yard to get my wallet and then to Toronto was $500. So that's out of the rental budget. And so it was like the universe and my guardian angel that kept me from getting any more than like a whiplash and bruising here and a stiff back said, your life's going to be different from now on. That's the way it is. So just roll with it, okay? Like the car, but with less damage. So I am patiently just sitting in suspended animation and seeing where life takes me. I'm looking after some older folks a couple days a week and staying with my boyfriend, who is wonderful. And I'm going to be volunteering at a pottery studio that just opened up in his neighborhood. And so having clay back in my life it's very exciting because I hadn't touched clay in 2 years, and it was the one thing that I really missed about having a house was my studio. So the universe and one's guardian angels sometimes operate in strange and wonderful ways. Anyway, that's focusing on the bright side. On the not so bright side, I owe lots of thousands of dollars on this car that I don't know if they're going to fix it. I don't know what they're going to value it at. I don't know squat at this point. And but I'm at a point in my life where I just accept it, and I am just waiting, and in the meantime doing my best to enjoy my daily life. I do enjoy seeing the sun come up here. There's a certain quiet and peacefulness to this house and this neighborhood and this quiet lifestyle that they lead. My fella wakes up first, usually around this time, and so I get the coffee going. And the morning paper is very, very popular in this home. We usually have first breakfast on the table by now, but he's a little sleepy still. One thing I found is that 15 plus years of being self-employed, I ended up absorbing a lot of management skills. So going into now, like say that job at the general store, you know, it was like organizing the invoices, getting it prepared for the accountant, working on the marketing, like just sort of what needs to be done, organize, get it done. And same thing with working at the pharmacy recently. You know, like we have a label printer for a product, right? And I come back and it's like, this thing was wonky and not working last week when I was here. Seriously, nobody did anything in 5 days? And I make a phone call. What do I do with a wonky printer? Took it back to where it was supposed to go, got another one. And it's just strange because there was, you know, an assistant manager and a floor manager, and stuff like that just didn't happen. It's so strange, you know, coming from the world of being self-employed. Well, you don't do it, you don't do it? Well, fuck you then. No business for you. I fire you. I fire your ass. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, it's just foreign to me now, right? So here I am. I've made some coffee, but my fellow's still snoozing. And my lady, she's usually not up until about 9. So I have a little bit of time. So here I am. I'm sipping my coffee and making this video. And now I take the train here.